Desert rose or adenium is a popular ornamental plant. It is vigorous and healthy under the right conditions and with proper care. It adapts easily to growing in a pot, which makes it well suited for bonsai. If you're currently watching this video, the primary reason might be that you get hooked or intrigued with my chosen title. You might even arch your brows, pouted your lips, and spitted these words, "Hey, are you an idiot? Why on earth would I kill my Adenium? God damn, blah blah blah." But hey, relax, chill, because in this video, you will basically learn two things. One is how to kill your adeniums, and the second one is how not to kill them. Isn't it interesting? Oh well, even if it's not, I hope you continue watching until the end of this video because there's one important thing that you should know about your favorite desert plant. Since 6 is my favorite number, I will give you 6 ways to kill your adeniums.
Savage!
Number 6. Repotting. Plant them in a pot with no holes or drain at the bottom. Do not use a well-draining soil mix. Use clay as your growing medium. Excess soil wetness is a sure way to kill the desert rose.
You have slain an enemy!
Number 5. Watering. Water them every day, even during rainy or winter season. Fed them too much water so that their roots will rot. Adeniums are desert plants, so they don't need too much water. Overwatering them is a sure way to get rid of them in your garden.
Double kill!
Number 4. Positioning. In countries with winter season, place them outside so they will freeze. It will not just drop its leaves, but its roots will rot as well. In tropical countries, place them in dark rooms. Do not expose them to sunlight because they love sunlight for them to grow and produce flowers.
Triple kill!
Number 3. Pests and diseases. Let the aphids, caterpillars, mealybugs, spider mites, and even frogs attack your desert roses. Once infested, do not apply pesticides or even care to pick them out. Poor care will promote most infestations.
Killing spree!
Number 2. Feeding. Feed them with fertilizers that will surely burn them. I can cite 2 organic fertilizers that will kill your adenium when applied directly. Number 1. Fish emulsion with too much oil content. Apply this directly to the adenium without diluting with water. Number 2, chicken dung. Apply this directly to the adenium without mixing it with soil and other growing medium like perlite, carbonized rice hulls, sand, coir, and organic composts.
Mega kill!
And number 1, root pruning. Root pruning is done to make the caudix grow larger and to create a radial root system. If you want to experiment on this bonsai technique, do the following steps to ensure death of your desert rose. Number 1, do not sanitize your cutting tool with alcohol or heat. Number 2, cut the roots as desired. Cut the whole caudix if you want. Number 3, after cutting, repot the plant without washing it with anti-fungal solution. Fungus will promote diseases to your plant. Number 4, for radial pruning, repot the plant without applying a rooting hormone. If roots will not grow immediately, there's a high chance that the remaining caudix will rot. Number 5, after repotting, water it immediately so that the roots will rot.
Monster kill!
Just like you, I am an adenium collector and soon to be a certified adenium addict. We love to take care of them, but sometimes we don't realize that some of our actions are already detrimental to the plant. Adenium is a desert plant that does not really require too much attention for it to grow. Over-pampering without adequate knowledge on proper adenium care and propagation is like throwing your adeniums to the fire. At the start of this video, I mentioned about one important thing that you should know about adeniums. Others might know this already, but for the new growers or collectors of this plant, it is important that you take note of this, since I don't want you to be a victim of your favorite desert plant.
You have been slain.
Do you know that the milk sap of the desert rose is poisonous? If you don't know, now you know. To avoid being poisoned, you better wash your hands thoroughly with water and soap after working with your plant, or wear gloves when you prune your plant. That's all for now. I hope you learned from this video. Of course, not to kill, but how to properly care and propagate your Adenium. If you enjoyed watching, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Doing that is a surefire inspiration for me to do more educational videos about Adeniums or desert rose. Thank you and see you in my next videos. Bye!
Shut down!
Bye.